Hello everyone, I am back at university and this is me sticking to my schedule like I said I was. So I'm going to be uploading hopefully every Wednesday in the evening. I don't want to stick to a time just because if I don't get time to pre-film, upload, like I don't know how long it will take basically. I'm going to be talking about a topic a lot of people have asked, but before I get into it, I just want to say that I've made a new Facebook page. My old one was like for my blog and I didn't really write anything on there, like it was kind of dead. But I've made a new one where I'll hopefully be posting. So if you like using Facebook and you're interested and you want to know like when I upload a new video, then make sure you head on over and give it a like. That would be great. And you can message me on there and also on any of my other social medias, which are always linked down below. So a question I get asked a lot is how I chose my college, and if you have firmed Lancaster or you're thinking about firming it or putting it as your insurance, you do not need to decide this. You get an email in about June or July and they just basically ask you to apply to your accommodation. So when you apply to your accommodation, that is when you decide your college, and you get two choices, so kind of like when you choose your university, and then they ask you what is more important, the room type, whether it's gender, like one gender, whether it's the college is most important, all those kind of things. It's all through like on the website. It's pretty straightforward. So essentially what I did is I decided the room type I wanted, and if you go on the Lancaster website, I'm sure you can find there's a few different room types. There's standard, standard wash basin, studio, ensuite, superior ensuite, and basically decide which one you want. And then go and find out, it's pretty clear on the website, which colleges have which types of accommodation. So for example, if you want ensuite, that narrows it down to like Lonsdale, Grisdale, Cartmel, Pendle, and I think one or two more. I'm not sure, I can't remember. Only certain colleges, for example, have ensuite. Some have more standard, some have less. I think County might have had ensuite accommodation. And that basically narrows, that will probably eliminate a few colleges. The next thing to bear in mind is the location of the college. So although this doesn't matter too much, for example, Graduate, Lonsdale, Cartmel, and the ensuite for Pendle is all in Alexandra Park, and Alexandra Park is a little bit further away, kind of like on the edge. And I actually thought Pendle wasn't there, because the main Pendle bit isn't in Alexandra Park, although it is still the other end of campus. And some people might want to live like on different sides. In terms of like for subjects, I think you're most likely going to be all over the place. I would say Bowland is the college that's probably the most central, and then also Fylde and Finesse accommodation is pretty central as well. So if you're looking to be right near the centre, although you will still have to dot to other parts of campus most likely, but those are probably the most central. Like Bowland definitely is the most, but at the same time Bowland has a reputation of having really nasty accommodation. So it just depends where you want to be. In general, like County is quite, like from where I live it's far away and it's like on its own. It is near Bowland accommodation as well, but it is pretty much all together, whereas like Fylde and Finesse are together, Pendle and Grisdale are very close together, and then Lonsdale and Cartmel, Graduate, and the other Pendle is together. I think I've mentioned every college. So it just depends like what you want. So if you're living in Alexandra Park like I am, the furthest you'll ever have to walk, like say if you're going to Leica or County on the other side of campus, I say it's about a 20-minute walk at like a normal speed. I never really have to leave more than 20 minutes before to get to anything. And then to Alexandra Square, so the main centre where the library is, that's 10 to 15 minutes. And then like George Fox, for example, is really close, that's like 5 minutes away. So like when I have to leave to go to lectures and stuff really varies, and I think it will vary anywhere, because even if you're at Bowling Main in the centre, you might have to go to George Fox, which is down this end, and then that can take like 10 minutes. All the colleges have bars. I haven't been to all the bars. I think Grisdale probably is the nicest looking bar. but there's no restriction on going to other college events. Like in Freshers Week, you pretty much just go to your college events, and then they also had like bar crawls on campus as well, where you'll get to go to different ones. But like during term time, like probably the first place you will go is your own college bar, but during term time, like there's no restriction to go to any of the bars or any of the events on at any of the colleges. Like there's absolutely no restriction. So although you'll be living with people from your college, there isn't much else of a close tie. I imagine the sports teams as well, you'll be playing with people from your college. I can't remember which is the sporty college. I think it's Grisdale is the sporty one, but like if you don't want to do sports, then you don't have to do sports. I think County is the biggest college and Finesse is the smallest college, but I've literally met so many people from Finesse and like one person from County, so it's not really like representative. There's no specific type of person in any of the colleges other than graduate, obviously that's just graduates, so it isn't like there's an arty college or whatever. Pendle is like the live music college, but like I said, like anyone can come. It's not just for Pendle students, like anyone can come to the live music events. I think just go based on the accommodation. I then just looked at the websites. I didn't get loads of information on the websites, but I just chose the ones that looked nicest. They all have like porters lodges and everything. Like I haven't heard of any complaints or anything about like staff, so I think they're all pretty similar. It isn't as close as it is at Oxbridge, like the college system. Like you know how on University Challenge it'll be like the different colleges will have teams. It's really not like that. Like the colleges basically is the area on campus where you live, and you'll live in that area. But you will meet people and be working with people from different colleges, like supervisions. Well, we don't have supervisions, but seminars and things like that will be mixed with people on your course. So in Freshers Week, that's when you really feel like, oh, this is my college. And then each college has its own like junior, was it JCR, like its own student council kind of thing, and there'll sometimes be specific events, so you'll get specific emails from a college, but it's really not like it doesn't really have much of an effect on sort of your time here. So the first people you meet, your flatmates, your first friends, will be from your college, but you'll soon meet people from your course, and it will just be mixed. It will be completely random. Soon loads of people will be going to all different events at all different colleges, and it doesn't really matter which college you're from. And like I said, you don't have to decide this for quite a while, so don't worry about it just now. But let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helped in some way. I obviously can't be like, this college is like this and this college is like that, because it's really not like that, because there's so many different people in every different college. So you can't really like stereotype a college or give it like a certain brand almost. But let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Check out the Lancaster map if you're really interested in knowing where you'll be, or like what is the nearest for your course or whatever. But yeah, just let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!